part 4.
No problem.
Yeah.
Let's go check out this helicopter real quick, okay?
Yep.
Oh wow, looks like they had a parachute or something.
That's so cool. I would always want a parachute. I saw one before.
That's neat. Well, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right.
Now, if you want to get in one, you can go get in that one over there. If you got good over there. Oh, got in that one. Okay. Look in this one. And that one. We just look. They're a little more delicate than that one. That's pretty rough over there. They can do anything. Hard to hurt that one, but it's easy to.
Is that neat, Joshua?
Any questions?
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
My name is Joshua.
Oh, it is
Well, that's
Joshua.
not a question.
Is that a question? What is your name? How's that? That's a question.
He's standing there. A parachute. United States of America.
Hey, is it going to take off?
My phone's back there. My camera's back there.
Well, that's
We're allowed to get in here, yeah?
you.
Yeah, well, he'll get out.
Isn't that old?
It said 1968 on it.
That's what those little rings are for.
68 models, been in Vietnam with 3 tours. Had a couple bullet holes in it, but they've been patched.
Really? Holy cow.
They used to fire away.
I don't know. I think that might be going a little too far. I'm not sure.
This is cool. Yeah, this is probably my favorite helicopters. This is where it landed. They just totally fell and cut in the grass. Emotional. Whoa, that's a good view.
Well, they always wanted 2 pilots. But a lot of times they had a hard time. They just want someone to sit in the seat. Exactly. Yeah. So
Oh, that's a red TV.
we use night vision goggles at night.
You know what the weird thing is? It's like a baseball bat and then a snake.
And it's amazing.
Just like kind of freaky. You know what's kind of freaky about the logo?
Yeah.
Is that like it looks like a baseball bat, and then it looks like a snake's wrapping it.
GPS, it seems like it's
You see, it's really important. It's cautioned. That is danger. It really is sharp. There's a parachuter right there. And that's his part 4. It's like a safety thing. First safety. So, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to check out part 1 because I have to scroll down everything. So, yeah, part 1 is still have to do, but I just have to finish the nation. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out part 3, part 2, and part 1. So, bye. Yep.